Hi YouTubers, so it's your boy again from the Kev Adventures Food Journey show on YouTube. So we're here today to show you our new adventurous meal that I'll be preparing, and that meal will be consisting of, guess what? Come take a look guys. Pig, heart and liver. So this is the heart of the pig and the liver. So we'll be doing up today pig's heart and liver. It's a breakfast meal in Jamaica. You can have this for breakfast or lunch, but mainly for breakfast. So I'll be showing you how it is done in Jamaica, guys. So, see, it's your boy Kev getting ready to go on another adventure with you guys. So please just stick and stay, and I'll show you what we'll be sharing this with in the end of the video. Alright, so stick and stay. This is a low budget meal. I'll tell you all about it soon come. Okay guys, so we're back now and I'll be showing you how we cut up our pig's heart. Okay, so remember what we'll be cooking today is pig, heart and liver. It's a breakfast item. I will be showing you how we do it Kev's Adventurous style. Okay, so the heart, I've already split it in you know, that right into, and you have to cut it up just like how you would cook beef liver. You cut it up in bite size. Okay guys, so like so. Okay guys, so see we here cutting up our heart in bite sizes. Okay, that's how you cut them. Bam, bam. Okay, you can split this in two, and we're listening to some 90s dancehall music. You know, you put the Bantan, the Wayne Wonder, the Spragga Ben, see? Cut it up like this, guys. So that we're done with one heart now. Okay, guys, so see it down in there. And even though we wash it already, we'll wash it again. Okay? So you already split your heart in two, and you just cut it like that, and then you cut it in like this, and then you cut it up. This is a lovely meal, trust me guys. If you haven't tried it before, pig's heart, cow heart, you know, heart make good meal, good meat. Okay, so see, put it over in there. Okay guys, so we're moving over to our pig liver now. Beautiful, look at this. See, pretty and clean. So you're going to the meat market and you get these things in yourself, guys. Let me turn down the music a little bit. Okay, because we're building the vibes, you know. We're still under quarantine, but I'm trying to make sure that you guys are eating healthy and you're entertained. Okay, guys? So just stick and stay. We're moving over now to our pig's liver. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. And healthy. Okay, guys? So I'm going to now show you how I cut up my pig liver. You can just cut anywhere into it. You know? See? There you go. You know, I'm not for really strip off of this. Like the beef liver. Okay? And then you start the cutting process. Bam. These sections in it is kind of hard. Sometimes you have to be careful. So I did already cut out some of mine. Okay? When me leave, can eat easily. See? Okay guys, so stick and stay. So me I go and listen to some 90s. Okay guys? And you know we are doing this quarantine style. Okay guys? So it's your boy Kev, Adventurous Food Journey. And it's your boy Kev cooking up his pig liver and heart for you guys. Jamaican style. Stick and stay. I'll be right back. Okay, so see we almost have finished off here now guys. Our liver and heart from the pig. So let me turn on the music a little again, and we almost are finished now. So you see the size and when you cut it guys. Nice little bite size, easy to cook. See? You drop it in your pan like that, you see? So with a one liver and a two pig heart. So the amount we get guys. Okay, so stick and stay. I'll be showing you how I season it and get it ready for cooking. Okay? Okay guys. Yes guys, so see? washing process. You don't have to use a whole lot of water because we always wash them while they were older. So we are now showing you the washing process. Okay guys? So see? And then you drain. Just like so. Or you can drain that off in something to throw it outside because it's not good for you leak your blood down. So I'll be right back. The sink. Okay guys? Not good for you leak your blood down the sink. So it's good for you to throw it in something else where you know you're not going to use the steam. And you can throw it outside. Sometimes if you have a dog, they will like it. You know? Nice little water. You know, it's good for them. I just throw it away, but you know good for you leak it down your sink. Okay guys, so seasoning process now. So you get a little bit of your jerk seasoning and you put over that. Okay guys, let me turn this down a little. Okay. So you'll call that around a teaspoon of your jerk seasoning. Okay, so we are cutting up our Scotch bonnet pepper already washed. Let me do it again. And cut it up. Not too big, not too fine. That's perfect. While you're listening to some good music in a quarantine situation. So it's Kev Adventurous Food Journey cooking up that storm for you guys. So please just stick and stay, and I'm showing you how you cook your pig's liver and heart. Okay? So it's maybe the first time you're gonna see this. I'm glad that I'm the one to show you. So it's Kev Adventurous Food Journey cooking up Jamaican style pig liver and heart for you guys. Jam down style. Blended season guy, my special homemade. So you see this now? You just get a little spoon like this. You always stir it up whenever you have a throw or you shake it up. And you just throw some of that over. Okay guys? Okay. You just rest that there so. Keep a little bit of your Eve browning. Just a little. Okay guys, probably use a spoon to give you an idea. Okay guys. On that amount, you don't want a lot. Put back your browning and you start stir in with the same spoon because you want to clean off your browning outside. Okay guys, stick and stay. Soon I'll show you the cooking process. My other homemade sauce. Keep some of that over it because all of that I go fry down in that cook down. The first cook down, okay guys? Before the cereal cook down. So see? Beautiful. Look at it. Look there. Wow. See that guys? Be right back. I'll be right back. See, I'm lighting up harmony guys. So I'm getting that all hot and ready for cooking. You get your oil, okay, your vegetable oil, and you put that down a little bit, and then we're waiting on that now to get a little bit warmer. So you throw about, don't need a lot, look guys, okay, so that's all you need, okay, soon come. So we're back guys, so you test your oil. You don't want it too hot, you know, so you hear that? Because you don't want nothing to fry up and burn you out, you understand guys? So you start put over your liver and your heart. Okay guys, so see we're putting over all of our heart and our liver now. And this is done. Okay, so just get yourself a big spoon so all of them juice and everything gone over. See guys? Just like that. Show that over to. And then you lock your pot. Okay guys, so you see all the little leftover seasoning and stuff now. You just throw it over in our next little pan like this. You put this aside. Wash off your little spoon. You put that down there, that you know you have to use that to help yourself. And then you bring over all of that to this now, where you're going to apply your seasoning and all of that in there. Okay guys? So we have the tomato, we have the onion, we have all of this, and we have more pepper to put on it and to cook it down. And we have an Irish, we have a going there and all of that, and a little mixed vegetable guys. So just please stick and stay, and I'll be right back. So we have everything ready and going. Put that over there. Go and melt out a little. And we're going to put that in there. We'll do it up real nice for you guys. It's a breakfast thing in Jamaica, maybe lunch. So cut down the noise. So it's a breakfast thing or maybe lunch. That's the pig and liver, the pig heart and liver for you guys on the Kev Adventurous Food Journey Show. So I'm showing you how we do that jam dog style, okay? So remember, we do the pig head show, you know. And we do the barbecue our style, we do the grill, the stove top grilled pig head and all of that. So now I'm showing you how we do the pig heart. So stick and stay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so washing off our sweet pepper. I use two types of sweet pepper in it, two colors. You know, just to bring up the presentation. You know, you have to have that presentation up. And so I'm washing off my sweet peppers guys. And I have my scallion now that I'm washing. And the onion with my strip and also wash. And the thyme. You know, run water over everything man and wash them off. And the tomato, and it's going to go into it also guys. So stick and stay.